Mary invests $1,000 for 3 years in bank that earns 5% interest per year. No further deposit or withdrawals are made during this time. Which statement is not true about current balance in the bank at the end of 3 years? So first, let's calculate the current balance after 3 years. So at the end of first year, what will be? She deposit $1,000. Let's forget about dollar symbol. So we have 1,000. And at the end of year, the bank gives her 5% interest. So we have plus 5% of this $1,000. And let's change percent to decimal number. We know that 1% is 0.01. So 5%, what will be 0.05? So she earned 5% at the end of every year of her balance. So she has 1,000. She earns 5% of this 1,000. So it will be 1,000 times 5% is 0.05. At the end of the first year, she will have something like this. So this is equal. We can factorize 1,000. So in parentheses, what will be 1 plus 0.05. So this is equal 1,000 times 1 plus 0.05. So this is 1.05. So this are money which she will have at the end of first year. So let's see what will be at the end the second year. So to the money which she has at the beginning of year, we have to add 5% interest. Again, so we have 1,000 because at the end of first year she has this money. So in second year she will have 1,000 times 1.05, and we have to add again the interest. At the end of second year she will get 5% of what she has. So it will be 1,000 1.05 times again 0.05, 5%. So this is equal. We can factorize 1,000 times 1.05. So in brackets we can write that we have from the first expression would be 1 plus 0.05. Close brackets. So this is equal 1,005 times 1 plus 0.05. So in parentheses I will write 1.05. So this is equal 1,000 times 1.05 to second power we can write. So this is at the end the second year. In the third year, again, she will earn 5% of what she had at the beginning of the third year. This is what she has. So it will be 1,000 times 1.05 to second power plus 5% interest. So it will be whatever we have at the beginning third year, so 1,000 1.05 to second power times this 5%. 5% is 0.05. So this is equal. Again, we can factorize 1000 now, and in will be 1.05 to second power we have in both expressions, and in brackets what will be from the first expression we will have only 1 plus from the second is 0.05. So this is equal, we have 1000 times 1.05 to second power times, right now in parentheses, 1 plus 0.05 is 1.05. So this is equal the same base. So we add exponents. Here is invisible 1. So we have 1000 times 1.05 third power. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have that at the end third year she will have 1000 times 1.05 to third power dollars. So let's see which this is expression. What we have in the first, we have 1000 and in parentheses 1 plus 0.05. Again the same. So we can rewrite that this is equal 1000 times 1 plus 0.05, so this is 1.05, and we have 1, 2, 3 expressions, the same expressions. So we copy the base and we add exponents. Here is like invisible 1, 1, and 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So it's exactly the same what we got at the end of third year. So this expression is correct. Next, what we have? We have 1000 and in parentheses 1 minus to third power. So this for sure is not good balance at the end of third year. So this will be our solution because we have to find which statement is not true. So the second statement is not true. Let's check the rest of statements. The fourth is exactly what we have at the end, so it's correct also. And the third, C. We have 1000 plus 1000 times 5%. This is exactly what we have at the end of first year. If you use calculator and calculate what we have in the third statement, what it will be 1000 plus 1000 times 5 plus 1050 times 0.05 plus 1102.5 times 0.05. This is equal. We have 1157 and we can write to the hundred, so it will be 63. So this is equal, let me copy this, 1157 decimal point 63 dollars we can write. And let's see what will be when we raise this expression to third power and multiplying by 1000. So it will be 1000 times 1.05 to third power, so this is equal. I see exactly the same what we got when we add this 3, when we add these 4 values. So the third solution is also correct. This is approximately equal 1157.63. So the second solution, the second statement is not correct. This is my solution.